and the images that come to your mind are that of black and white, corporate and formal. But enter Vivaki's office in Mumbai, the hype and all these notions go out of the window. It's everything that you're not expecting in an office.
The hive actually connotes work in progress, a lot of people working on different things all the time. Rust is another connotation of work in progress, right? If you see a lot of things like buildings or any structure being built, when you start using these materials, they are yes in prim and proper condition in the beginning, but as work goes on, they kind of rust and have to be improvised on or improved upon later on. So rust again stands for that. It's work in progress. Yes, as an office, as a company, as an industry, we are always in the state of evolution. So the rust really stands for that. It's going to be work in progress throughout.
Move further in and you notice that the reception too is in sync with the overall theme of a hive. And then all of a sudden you find yourself in the middle of a railway station.
Like hive, we are looking at this entire office as a city, where people are again in a state of work the entire day. If you look at any city, there will be a station in the center of the city. It's like a hub. And if you see the conference room, the train is in the central area. We also call it town hall. So it stands for the hub of the entire office as a city.
So don't be deceived by the looks. Railway coaches can be conference rooms as well. But every little thing in the office does indeed connote some special meaning. Even the library holds its own special place.
Yeah, I think in the day-to-day rigmarole of work, we forget to catch up with any kind of reading, whether it's fiction, whether it's fact, whether it's our own subject matter, whether it's magazines. We subscribe to a lot of these Harvard Business Reviews and a lot of other trade journals and stuff like that, which typically lie on the table. By building this kind of a library, we incentivize people to read more seriously, more actively. If you look at the recreation area, we've also put down bean bags where people can just pick up what they want, come down, relax and read for a little bit at least.
But the thing that stands out the most in the office are the painted walls with different illustrations for different areas. These illustrations have been done by students of the JJ School of Arts.
Like we were at JJ and Mr. Ashok has called us to Nitin, one of my friends. He just gave me a call, Arshad, ek kaam hai. We have to go there. I said, okay, we are coming. And for the second day we have come here and we saw, yaar, bahut bada hai. Kaise hoga kaam?
So the 3 days, they given the deadline of 3 days.
So we got the deadline for 3 days and then I said, please show me the places where all you want to paint this thing. So we just went to this. Kafi bahut bada, it's very big. So he asked me to bring the team. Everybody is saying it is too big here, we won't be able to do this. But see, we have stepped in and we have to do it. That's it. And for the next 4 hours, we just cracked the concept for this all things, the Hive station. We have to get the concept from there, from the logo. And the only thing was planning ke matlab there has to be unique, there has to be one line. Every visual has to be very unique. और उसको डिज़ाइन करना very important है. And illustration style has to be very different.
It really is a novel idea for a company like Vivaki to get youngsters to contribute to their office.
things actually.
If you look at the kind of things that we do, we take a lot of initiative to encourage youngsters. We are in fact just starting a new course with the Somaiya Institute of Management, which is in 360-degree communication, integrated marketing communication. So that's another way of encouraging youngsters. We thought instead of getting any professional artist to do this, it might be a good idea to get students. Again, I think before they get into some kind of professional life, they are much more creative. So, kind of married the two and thought they would be good. It would be a good opportunity for them as well as for us to, kind of leverage their creativity.
The most striking painting is the one that you find in the washroom, both for men and women. The students give us their take.
For the first, we have took the two toilets for men and women. वहाँ से we showed के men toilet के लिए ऐसे करते हैं कि जैसे वो होता है ना टांकी खाली करो, like fuel and unfuel. So we have took that theme and we have shown कि एक commode है. First we are trying to show commode, then after we thought कि नहीं यार वहाँ लोग बैठते हैं तो like people get frustrated, वहाँ से frustrations निकलती है, फिर बहुत की firings निकलती है, and then we have shown कि एक आदमी होगा उसका mind खुलेगा, like वो commode का ढक्कन होगा, and all things are coming out like frustration, ideas. Sometimes people read books inside. So we have to get that theme and we have completed the illustration, and yeah, again we came to ladies toilet. अब यहाँ क्या करना है? Ladies लोग काफी makeup वगैरह करते हैं. We have shown lipstick and all makeup सामान, belan and all. So these are the things which comes in mind when we sit over there.
Frankly, it had to be related to that particular area. So, like in the loo, we have something that connotes relaxation. You take that 5-minute, 10-minute break to just forget everything else. So the drawing there had to kind of symbolize that. Yes, when you go to the canteen, you obviously can't have something related to work there. It has to be about food. So it was putting, the essence of that area and the essence of the entire office together.
The town hall is the area in office where regular social activities are held. It consists of dual flooring, the top of which can be raised up to make space for more people. It also happens to be Mr. Rangnekar's favorite area.
In terms of design, I don't know, but in terms of what you really feel when you enter that area, I think it would be the town hall, the central area. I think that's where we really come together as friends, as family, and not discuss too much work there. So I think that would really be my favorite.
So did they have any apprehensions at all about all the color and illustrations being used in the office?
We just had to make sure we don't go overboard in terms of what we put up on the walls or in terms of the designs. Finally, it's an office, so we had to make sure there's enough working space as well. But apart from that, yeah, it was up to the architect to decide the entire layout and what goes where and stuff like that.
The end result does seem to impress everyone, and the employees wouldn't have it any other way.
That's what our business is. That's what Starcom Media West Group really is. If you see, and if you can see all over the office, we probably would be the company with the least average age, the youngest company, youngest media agency in that sense. So I think that really, vibrancy really stands for something what we really are and believe.